Have you ever heard people talk about making huge profits with options trading, but had no idea what they actually mean? In this video, we're going to break down options trading in the simplest way possible for complete beginners. Now, before we start, one important thing. Options are considered one of the riskiest financial instruments in the market. They can multiply profits very quickly, but they can also wipe out money just as fast. So this video is purely for understanding the basics. What exactly is an option? An option is basically a financial contract between two people. This contract gives someone the right to buy or sell an asset at a specific price before a certain date. The key word is right, not obligation. The asset can be stocks, indices, commodities, currencies. Let's simplify this with an example. Imagine two traders. One believes Tesla's stock price will go up in the next 3 months. We call him the bull. The other believes Tesla may go down or stay flat. We call her the bear. Instead of buying the stock directly, the bull enters an agreement with the bear. They agree that in 3 months, the bull can buy Tesla shares at a fixed price of $165. This fixed price is called the strike price. Scenario 1. Price goes up. After 3 months, Tesla rises to $190. The bull can still buy it at $165. That means profit. $190 market price minus $165 strike price equals $25 gain per share. But there is one important cost: the premium. To enter this contract, the bull pays a fee called the premium. Think of it like an insurance cost. Example: premium paid equals $10. Profit from trade equals $25. Net profit equals $15. The seller keeps the premium no matter what happens. Scenario 2. Price goes down. If Tesla drops below $165, the bull simply ignores the contract. Why? Because he can buy cheaper in the market. So, loss? Only the premium paid. No extra loss beyond that. This is why option buyers have limited downside risk.
Call options versus put options. There are two main types of options. Call option, used when expecting price to go up, gives the right to buy at a fixed price. Put option, used when expecting price to go down, gives the right to sell at a fixed price. Why option prices change? Option prices, premiums, are influenced by 1. Intrinsic value. How much profit already exists in the option. 2. Time remaining. More time equals higher value. Less time equals faster value decay. 3. Volatility. If price moves aggressively, options become more expensive. Why options are risky? Options are powerful because of leverage. A small move in the stock can create a huge move in the option price. Example: stock moves plus 20%, option may move plus 100% or more. But it also works in reverse. Small wrong move can wipe most or all of the premium. Common beginner mistakes. Most beginners lose money because they trade without a strategy, risk too much on one trade, chase hype or emotions, buy options too close to expiry, ignore risk management. Why many options expire worthless? A large number of options expire with zero value. This happens because price didn't move enough, move happened too late, time decay reduced value. Timing is just as important as direction. What is time decay? Time decay means options lose value as time passes. Even if the stock doesn't move, the option can still lose money. This is one of the biggest challenges for option buyers. Implied volatility, simple version. Implied volatility is the market's expectation of future movement. High volatility, expensive options. Low volatility, cheaper options. Many beginners unknowingly buy expensive options during hype periods.
Why some traders sell options instead of buying them? They profit from time decay, premium collection. But selling options can carry unlimited risk if not managed properly. Start with paper trading. Before using real money, practice with paper trading.
This helps you understand how options behave, test strategies safely, learn without financial risk. Trading psychology. One of the hardest parts of trading is controlling emotions. Common mistakes include fear selling too early, holding losers too long, revenge trading, overtrading. Discipline matters more than prediction. Long-term reality. Options trading is not a shortcut to fast money. What you see online is usually only the winning trades. Behind the scenes, successful traders spend years learning strategy, risk control, consistency. The goal is not to get rich quickly. The goal is to survive and improve over time. Final thoughts. Options trading can be powerful when used with knowledge and discipline. But without proper understanding, it can be extremely risky. Focus on learning first, trading second. Start small, manage risk, and build experience over time. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. Options trading involves substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors. You may lose part or all of your capital. All examples are simplified for learning purposes and do not guarantee future results or profits. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, consider liking the video, subscribing, and turning on notifications for more beginner-friendly finance content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.